Hi there, I'm Rachel with DiversiTech, and I'm here today to talk to you about the SwitchCap Dual Multiple Value Capacitor. The SwitchCap Dual provides two capacitors in one simple package. Using easy-to-set switches, rather than jumper wires, SwitchCap Dual is the future of multiple value capacitors. SwitchCap Dual has four very important features that separate it from the pack of other multiple value capacitors. No jumper wires needed, a better heat sink, non-conductive polymer enclosure, and integral mounting tabs. Complicated jumper wires on competing products means you aren't exactly sure what capacitor value you are connecting. It's not easy to understand. With DiversiTech SwitchCap Dual, just set the switches for the cap value you need. Then connect the standard Herm, run, and common terminals to the condensing unit. Don't get confused with 7 different terminals from other multiple value capacitors. Heat generated by electricity is a significant contributor to capacitor failure. All capacitors use some type of heat sink to exhaust heat to the atmosphere. Conventional capacitors use a mineral oil fill. SwitchCap Dual uses an epoxy fill. Epoxy is nearly 2 times as conductive to heat as mineral oil. Epoxy gets rid of the heat faster than oil, resulting in a longer life capacitor. Inside a condensing unit, there are electrical terminals everywhere. A capacitor with non-conductive polymer enclosure is much safer to install. Metal enclosures also corrode easily over time, resulting in the potential for capacitor failure and callbacks. SwitchCap Dual uses a non-conductive polymer enclosure, resulting in a longer life capacitor. The simple, easy, and large mounting tabs allow for quick mounting with standard sheet metal screws. We even include the screws for you, right in the box. Other capacitors either have no obvious mounting method, or use a separate bracket. The integral mounting tabs provide a faster installation, saving the contractor time and money. In addition to these 4 very important features, SwitchCap Dual is also UL508 recognized, features a wide operating voltage range, is fully protected to an industry-leading 12,500 amp fault current. SwitchCap features oil-free and fire-resistant heat sink technology, and SwitchCap Dual is a heavy-duty capacitor with the terminal connections of a standard dual capacitor. With the wide operating voltage, the same capacitor is used for 120 to 450 volt applications. One part number for all values significantly reduces the inventory you need to carry. This saves money and space. The amp fault current, AFC, of a capacitor is extremely important to the safety of the capacitor and installer. DiversiTech SwitchCap Dual has been tested to the highest AFC presently available for an HVAC part. The 12,500 amp rating for SwitchCap Dual is 25% better than competitive products, at 10,000 amps. Oil has been around for millions of years, and the use of oil as an insulator in a capacitor almost as long. Oil is an old technology. It is messy and not environmentally friendly. Modern capacitors like DiversiTech SwitchCap Dual Multiple Value Capacitor use an epoxy fill to hermetically seal out any moisture, the leading cause of capacitor failure. The innovative heat sink material used in SwitchCap Dual is recognized by UL to be fire resistant. Competing products using oil-filled capacitors are not fire resistant. SwitchCap Dual is a heavy-duty, heavyweight capacitor. Weight in a capacitor indicates the amount of heat sink material inside. More heat sink material, more weight. A heavier capacitor will typically last longer and result in fewer callbacks than a lighter weight capacitor. SwitchCap Dual features an extremely wide capacitance range. For the Herm side, values from 15 to 60 microfarad are available. For the fan side, 3 to 10.5 microfarad are your selection. Combined, the total capacitance value is 70.5 microfarads. And lastly, DiversiTech SwitchCap Dual can be installed in an extremely wide ambient temperature range, from -40 Fahrenheit to 158 Fahrenheit. The SwitchCap Dual Multiple Value Capacitor is available today from DiversiTech through leading HVAC wholesale distributors. For complete product information, please visit our website at DiversiTech.com or give us a call at 800-995-2222. DiversiTech. Simplify the way you work.